What's the meaning of commissary? Commissary. Commissary.
Commissary. Commissary. The term commissary can refer to a few different things, but generally it refers to a store or canteen that sells goods to a particular group of people, such as military personnel or prison inmates. In the context of a prison, the commissary is where inmates can buy items such as snacks, hygiene products, and stationery. The prices in commissaries can be higher than in regular stores, but they provide access to necessary items for those who may not be able to leave the facility to shop for themselves.